As I was reading Luke 10 about the story of the Good Samaritan, and as I read it, I saw that they were speaking about a priest walking past a young man, and then there was a Levite walking past the young man, and then there was also a Samaritan. But it was as we all know, it was the Samaritan that went down on his knees and he tended to the wounds of the young man. He picked the young man up and he used his equipment to take care of the young man's wounds. He used his donkey to transport the young man to a safe haven or a safe place, and he used his money to pay for the well-being of that young man. So the lesson Holy Spirit teaches me is that love should be like this, where we are so in union with one another that what I have shouldn't determine the love I have for my brother. My possession shouldn't replace the how I see my brother. I shouldn't regard what I own or what I have to be more important than my fellow brother or my fellow sister. And it should be like, what I have is also yours, and what you have is also mine. And this is what I learned out of Luke 10. And as we go further, we see that the Samaritan, he was even willing to pay more, and so that's why Jesus